Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you solve this talkback setting in your Vivo phone. You can see guys, you cannot use your phone. You want to off this setting, so guys you can off. And guys, now let's see how to solve this setting in Vivo phone. Guys, you can see guys. So as you can see, I cannot operate my phone. So you want to off this setting and you want to solve this talkback problem. So you can solve guys. But before starting the friends, I want to request and guys I want to tell, if you're new in my channel, so guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. And guys in this video guys, whatever I will do guys, you will have to just guys only copy and paste. So guys now let's see how can you use this setting. And guys you want to off this setting, so you can off easily. So don't worry, first of all guys use your two finger. Then guys you can use your screen. Guys you can see we can operate our phone. So I first click on setting with one finger guys. Guys continue to tap guys. And guys you can see with this type of setting, so you can see two finger, use it. Shortcut accessibility guys, one finger, touch here, double tap, scroll, accessibility, one tap, two tap, talkback, two tap, use talkback, two tap, one tap, talkback off guys. Now you can operate your phone without any problem friends. You can see guys we have solved talkback problem only just a minute guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to solve talkback problem in our Vivo phone. So thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. But guys before going guys, please please like my videos. Okay friends, bye bye, thanks for watching. And friends, do you have any another problem and guys any setting problem in your Vivo phone, so guys you can ask me in comment section, I will tell you. Bye bye friends.